Now, sequencing is kind of interesting because sometimes with like a PowerPoint slide or something, maybe you could put a whole picture up, but then it's hard to get the students to understand what you're talking about. Sequencing is actually where you can kind of draw something slowly and the students will know what you're talking about as you go. Let me give you an example. Do you have any idea how a flashlight works, like inside?
Not
No
really.
clue, okay? No clue?
Yeah.
Sort of, kind of. Milton knows, he's an
Milton would
electrician.
know.
Now, instead of just putting a whole picture of a flashlight circuit up there and then trying to explain how it works, notice what we can do with sequencing. Okay, so first of all, what's inside of the flashlight?
Light bulb.
A light bulb. Okay, so let's draw a light bulb. Okay, so there's our light bulb. Okay, Milton?
Batteries.
There's a battery inside. Now, I don't know if I can draw a battery, but does that look like a battery?
Pretty close.
Okay, now what else does a flashlight have that sort of makes the difference between it being on and off?
Switch.
A switch. Okay, so the switch looks a little bit like a drawbridge, right? You know how a drawbridge,
Yes.
when it's up, you have to stop driving. When it's down, you can go through. Now, that's the essential elements. So you have a battery, a switch, and a light bulb. Now, if we just take a wire and go from here to here, and then down through the light bulb, and then back over to the battery, that's our electrical circuit. So you notice what will happen. Right now with the switch open, light bulb's off. With the switch in the drawbridge down position, the light bulb comes on. That's how a flashlight works. Now you see how we kind of sequenced our way through that?
Right.
Mm-hmm.
If we just had that all drawn up ahead of time, it would have taken more explanation. But sometimes you can use a whiteboard and step the students right through the process, step by step, and it makes more sense to them.